past 5 years, me and this guy, we get on every morning. Me, him, and Shyrock. Okay, we get on that Zoom, that Comrex, the thing that hooks us up together, and we've been doing That's the Joint for LL Cool J's Rock the Bells Radio for 5 years, consecutively, and this has been our producer. And don't think, I know we sound good, I know we sound great, and we get a lot of rave reviews and people calling in, we love you, this and this and that, but trust and believe, without this dude, all right.
Salute.
You be like, what the hell?
Salute.
What one's on? Like, and we talked about it. We joked about it, putting a blooper reel together of all the mistakes we make and all of the misspelled things and us, crucifying people's actual real names and he has all that. But he is so fucking dope. With making us sound good, with clearing up those bumps. I mean, if I cough too much during the show, it's up to him to make sure to get them coughs out of there. You understand what I'm saying? And make our shit have some continuity. And it sounds easy, but trust and believe, it ain't. Man, salute to you, my brother.
Thank you.